I'm stopping, so be adventurous. I insist that this will bring more than just bliss. The parking and cruise. It's time to get what I mean is.
Good thing he's not turned around the other way. And
Slamming is an art, so kids, don't try this on your own. Now look at this guy. He's a professional. Look at these guys. They're professionals. Now look at these guys. Well, they're somewhat professional. Now I'm a professional too. I might be small, but I can still slam it. Do you see me close enough? How you doing? That's Dave right there. That's Frank. That's Mike. That's John, and that's Al. What?
no, I didn't get that.
Oh. And I'm Rich, and that's Dale. And we're out here to demonstrate how you really slam a ball. We're also out here to demonstrate how you get strong by working out, eating the right foods, doing the right things, and of course being Italian, which he'll never be. But that's all right. We're gonna let him off on that. But anyway, we're out. That ain't funny. Okay, anyway, we're out here to have fun today, so we're gonna show you how it's done. Look at this dork. What a dork, huh? Look at those dorks. I'll show you how it's done, baby. I love you. Al, give me the ball.
She said, Dave, it's crazy fun. She said, you're the one the girls keep talking about. Because you look like a winner. Come to my house for the suck it over dinner. Davey talking. Well, he met a father, big chief Beretti. He said, the dinner was rotten and he thought he's gonna flip it. He never would have flipped it. Later on, they was chilling in the bedroom, sitting by the window looking on the moon. Nothing was being said, so he swore she was hot. He said, are you in the mood? She said, no, I'm not. From what he believes and from what he guessed, if a girl says no, he would think she was so she started touching her and coming out strong. Whispers me nothing was singing a song. He said, I'm in the mood. Simply to know. The next thing you know, it was all for those drugs.
Alright, clear for it.
Well, he was playing with the chickies. They were short, not lumpy, and then he backed the legs. Fucking, sucking, all the finger popping. He had no intention of stopping. Crazy fun, he did not want. He was burning hot. He said, are you talking so what? She didn't realize what she started. Next thing you know, now it might seem strange. You better take him quick and make the right change. Don't teenage love. Don't teenage love.
That was Dave missing that shot. Come on, mother.
Hello, baby.
All right, he got the rim. He got the rim.
When conversation comes, you do all the talking, not to mention attention. We all get back to saying, yeah, you all are lucky. They getting sick of it. Quite annoyed, and if you have half of the picture, then now they see it. You saw what's happening, and you still let it. And if you ever let it make love to your girls, you can forget it. You know you're being caught, it'll spread around town faster than you thought. Then break up time, and you receive the words. Yo, this is from the heart, and I know that. If it's not true love, you shouldn't deal with it. Just think of your future and what is to come, and pay attention to the words that's in this song.